everyone, this is Tiffany Cossey with Cossey & Company LLC, and I'm here today to talk to you about the taxability of side gigs. So the question a lot of people have is, if I have a side gig, do I have to report that on my tax return because it's not my main source of income? And the answer is yes. If you have income from whatever source derived, unless it is specifically exempted by the IRS, you're supposed to report it. That means if you drive for Uber, if you sell on Etsy, you sell on eBay, any of those things that are a side gig, you have to report it. And a lot of people think, well, if I don't get a tax form, I really don't have to report it because now it's not a requirement. That's wrong. You are still supposed to report it. And what you may not realize is that if you do your taxes and you file and you don't report it, and then later on you get a 1099-K, which is the tax form that those companies would issue, you're caught by the government and you're going to have to amend your tax return. So you want to make sure that if you have a side gig, you go ahead and report that. But I do have some good news for you. It is possible that not everything that you earned from that side gig is necessarily going to be taxable to you. You have to report the income, but you may be able to deduct some of your expenses. So for example, if you sold on eBay or you sold on Etsy, usually there was a cost to you of whatever you sold. You get to deduct that. Or sometimes you have to drive to a location, you can deduct mileage or expenses. Sometimes you use your cell phone or your home internet. Sometimes you even use a home office, and those things are often deductible. So if you come and see a CPA, we can help you figure out what you need to do and what you can deduct to lower your taxes as much as possible. Give me a call. I'm at 417-413-3733, and I would love to see you this tax season.